Here's your Storm Tracker weather forecast with Chief Forecaster Bob McGuire.
Good evening, everybody. We're going to start off tonight with this cool-looking picture from Loretta Hurley. This is a thunderstorm tonight. It was coming down off the Beartooth Mountains. Yeah, we had that. That just looks ugly. That's all that does. It just looks like one nasty storm moving in. Let me show you another shot. This comes to us from Tammy Jo Brasher. This is another storm coming off the Pryor Mountains, and you can see them off in the distance as well. So they're kind of a cloudy, rainy night out there. In fact, here's the way things are shaping up in Billings right now. Look at that. The streets are wet. Current temperature in Billings is 52 degrees. We do have some light rain still in the area, and a north wind at about 3 miles per hour. And as you'll see here, 71 degrees has been our high temp today. The normal high 77, the record 95. So back in 1988, the record low was 40 back in 1945. And when it comes to precipitation, we picked up a little bit. 900ths of an inch takes us to 159 for the month. Still ahead of normal for the month. For the year, you got to add 9. It wasn't added to that figure, so you add 9 to that, gives us 513 for the year. So we still need almost 2 inches to be caught up to average. And as you'll see here, our current temps around the state still into the 40s and 50s out in the west. 44 at Butte, 43 at Dillon. Cross the High Line into the 50s over there. 58 over Glasgow, still 40s and 50s until you get to Miles City and Glendive, where we're into the 60s. But check out our reported high temps for the day. We got into the 50s and 60s out in the west. But back here in eastern Montana, it was a little different story. We got into the 70s, even still some 80s, like at Glendive and Williston, North Dakota. They were 84. Northern Wyoming, 81 over Worland. You see 60s and 70s elsewhere around the region then. And so here's as things are shaping up tonight. As you can see, our thunderstorm outlook shows most of the bigger, bad, severe stuff. That's moving over in towards the Dakotas, away from us. The rest of Montana, we got a big hole in the clouds there. But right through the southern part of the state, we can still see some stray showers and thunder showers as the night goes on. Not the big stuff, just some moderate to heavy rainfall moving through occasional off and on tonight. And virtually the same story again on Wednesday. Most of the big stuff continues to move in towards eastern Dakotas, and the rest of Montana will just see some scattered rain showers off and on. So Doppler radar shows you the rain as they continue to make their way into the Billings area. This one cell here, that little blue out in front of it, that was some dime-sized hail as it made its way in towards the Billings Heights. Continues to follow the jet stream up towards the north and the east. Any more showers behind that? Looks like we still have another batch of rain here still to come our way before the night is over with. Out in the west, we do see some more scattered rain showers. And over here, look at that. That is snow already starting to form over there in Beaverhead County. So we're looking at some scattered snow showers there. And that's in the higher elevations. Rain still down in the valleys. And this whole thing is just going to sit and spin and eventually bring us more scattered rain showers across that area in the next 24 hours. So here's the way things are shaping up. It's an upper level trough that's moving through. Low pressure cell continues to sling moisture into the region. At the surface, we have this low pressure cell leaving the area. As it does, it creates a lot of vorticity across the state. And that's causing all these showers to kind of move through Billings, then spin around and come back, and then probably come back again the next day or so. Watch, here they go. It comes right in here at 6 a.m. Wednesday. Then the whole thing spins right around again and gives us another shot at showers on Wednesday night. Then by Thursday, this whole mass of showers continues to push on through, so we're getting more rain behind that as the whole system moves out of the area. How much rain are we talking about? Well, a little more than 3/4 of an inch for Billings. Bozeman about the same thing, maybe 1.5 inches over in Butte, 1/4 inch over Miles City tonight. Then for tomorrow, we're back up, or I should say tonight, our temps cooling back down into the 30s and 40s and a few 50s back here in the east with scattered rain showers. You'll see temps getting back up into the 60s tomorrow for afternoon highs here in south central Montana. 40s and 50s, a few 60s out in the west. Across the High Line, 60s there as well. Look for rain showers off and on. So tonight in Billings, 70% chance for more rain showers as we cool down to 50. We'll stay into the 60s for Wednesday and Thursday. Good 60 to 90% chance for rain showers. 40% chance for rain on Friday. Then the rain dries up for the weekend. We warm up into the 80s with sunny skies, and we keep that sunshine basically right on into Monday and Tuesday with some more 80s. Let's go back to Russ.